In this video, I shall illustrate the Lagrange's multiplier method with an example. For geometrical interpretation of this method, you should see the first part. Let us take the problem of finding the volume of the greatest rectangular parallelepiped inscribed in an ellipsoid. We take the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. Let Pxyz be any point in the first octant on this ellipsoid. And we take the rectangular parallelepiped inscribed in this ellipsoid whose faces are parallel to the coordinate planes and whose one vertex is P. Then the length, width and height of the parallelepiped be twice x, twice y and twice z respectively. And so volume equal to length into breadth into height equal to 2x into 2y into 2z equal to 8xyz. So, the problem is to find the maximum value of Vxyz equal to 8xyz, where xyz lies on the ellipsoid. That is, here the constant equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1, which can be written as x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1 equal to 0. So, the Lagrangian function is Lxyz lambda equal to 8xyz plus lambda into x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1. We know by Lagrange's multiplier method, the extreme points are given by the equations Lx equal to 0, Ly equal to 0, Lz equal to 0 and L lambda equal to 0, and they give the following equations. Multiplying first three equations by x, y and z respectively and then adding and using the fourth equation, we get lambda equal to minus 12xyz. Replacing this expression of lambda in equations 1, 2 and 3, we get x equal to a by root 3, y equal to b by root 3 and z equal to c by root 3 respectively. So, the extreme point for the function Vxyz is a by root 3, b by root 3, c by root 3. Now, since the minimum volume of the parallelepiped inscribed in an ellipsoid is 0, so at a by root 3, b by root 3, c by root 3, Vxyz must be maximum, and the volume of the greatest rectangular parallelepiped inscribed in the ellipsoid is equal to 8 a by root 3 into b by root 3 into c by root 3, that is 8 abc by 3 root 3. Now we see more geometrical concept consisting with this example by using GeoGebra 3D. For instance, we take the ellipsoid x square by 3 square plus y square by 5 square plus z square by 2 square equal to 1. And we take the level surface 8xyz equal to c, where c is a parameter. For any point on this level surface, the volume of the parallelepiped is c. We consider the increasing value of c. Then the level surface is moving away from origin and at a certain time it will leave the ellipsoid. Let A be the touching point when the level surface leaves the ellipsoid. Then we see that the coordinate of A is equal to 1.73, 2.89, 1.15, which are equal to 3 by root 3, 5 by root 3, 2 by root 3. And so Vxyz is maximum at 3 by root 3, 5 by root 3, 2 by root 3. And volume of the greatest rectangular parallelepiped inscribed in the ellipsoid x square by 3 square plus y square by 5 square plus z square by 2 square equal to 1 is 8 into 3 by root 3 into 5 by root 3 into 2 by root 3, that is equal to 64.18. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.